This dance is called Sandman. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going to do some slow shuffle steps, travelling towards the diagonals. So you're going to continue to face forward on all of these steps. So you step the right diagonally forward to the right, step the left beside the right, step the right diagonally forward to the right again. So that's your shuffle step, step, close, step, but we're actually travelling to the diagonals. Then touch the left beside the right. You're now going to do a slow shuffle step to the left diagonal. So again, keep facing forward as you do these. So you're going to step the left forward on that diagonal, right beside left, step the left forward on that diagonal. This time we're going to scuff the right forward. So remember, with the scuff step, it's just that gentle contact with the ground, with the heel of the foot. That set of steps once more then. The shuffle steps, half on the right. 7, 8, right, shuffle, touch, left, shuffle, scuff. Add on a jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, make a quarter turn to the right as you step that right, semi-forward slightly to the right side, cross the left over the right. So that's your jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. Then add on a vine to the right. So you step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then, jazz box with that quarter turn and a cross at the end into that vine. Half on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Tap that to the top. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right, shuffle, touch, left, shuffle, scuff, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Into some side touches. So you're going to step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Half a rumba box travelling forward. Step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then, side touches into that half rumba box. Half on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, close, step, touch. Let's add that to the top. Right shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, touch, left shuffle, scuff, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, step, touch. Some more side touches then. So we step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Half rumba box, travelling backwards. Step left to the side, right beside left. Big step back on this one, then touch the right beside the left. So that stepping back on the left for this back rumba box is a big step backwards. Do that set of steps once more. Half on the left, side touches. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, back, touch. Let's add that to the top. End of the dance when you get to that point. Put it all together. Right shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, touch, left shuffle, scuff, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, side, close, back, touch. So that is your dance. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Right shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, touch, left shuffle, scuff, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, side, close, back, touch, right shuffle, touch, left shuffle, scuff, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, right shuffle, touch, left shuffle, scuff, cross, back, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, side, close, back, touch. So that's it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Right shuffle,
You were loved
touch,
before
left
you
shuffle,
had a
scuff,
right.
cross, back,
Every
turn,
day
cross,
that
side,
love
behind,
just
side,
multiplied.
cross, side,
Daddy made your bed and you lullaby.
touch,
Mama made the mobile
cross,
in
back,
the
touch,
sky.
right shuffle, touch,
Loving
left
you is
shuffle,
easy,
scuff, cross, back, turn,
like
cross,
will
side, behind,
always
side, cross,
be.
side, touch,
Fall into the
side,
world
close,
of
step,
your
touch,
song.
side,
Whatever you feel can
back,
never be
touch,
wrong.
right shuffle,
Come
touch, left shuffle,
along
scuff,
for the
cross,
ride,
back, turn,
and in a
cross,
shake of
side,
the
behind,
lamb
side,
still
cross,
go.
side, touch,
Be still
close,
now,
step, touch,
close
side,
your
side,
eyes
close, back,
and
right
dream.
shuffle, touch, left shuffle,
Hanging out with the
cross, back,
Sandman.
turn, cross, side, behind,
You
side,
look so
cross,
sweet,
side, touch,
my child.
side, close,
Hanging out with the Sandman.
side, close, back,
But though there's rain
shuffle,
outside, you'll be warm and dry.
jazz,
The thunder and the lightning won't hurt you now. So
side
go to
touch,
sleep, my love. Hanging out
side
with the
touch,
Sandman.
shuffle, jazz, that was, side touch, shuffle,
Chocolate covered roof and candy
jazz,
clouds. Rainbow sugar river we can sail
side
on.
touch,
Marshmallow books and strawberry.
side touch,
Snowman made of ice cream.
shuffle,
Over the flower fields we'll fly.
jazz,
We'll count the fish in the sky.
side touch,
Honeybees and birds sing your song.
side touch,
Whatever you feel can never be wrong. Come along for the ride, and then a shake of the lamb's tail will go. Be still now, close your eyes and dream. Hanging out with the Sandman. You look so sweet, my child. Hanging out with the Sandman. Though there's rain outside, you'll be warm and dry. The thunder and the lightning won't hurt you now. So go to sleep, my love. look so sweet, might try hanging out with the Sandman. But though there's rain outside, you'll be warm and dry. The thunder and the lightning won't hurt you now. So go to sleep, my love, hanging out with the Sandman. Hanging out with the Sandman. Hanging out with the Sandman. Hanging out with the Sandman.
Hope you managed that one.